My name is Ronnie Malley. I am the residency coordinator here at Moraine Valley Community College as part of their Mosaics Muslim Voices in America grant. What was wonderful is coming into the residency program, one of my favorites was Innov Gnawa. This is a North African Moroccan group that performs the indigenous music from this region. And this is music that you can say starts off in West Africa and eventually migrates into North Africa and Morocco and becomes a large part of the spiritual music of the region. And they have collaborated with a lot of different artists, and it was a wonderful opportunity for them to show this style of music, which is seldom here because the community actually doesn't know this style of music very well. The music that they play is a very spiritual style of music, not only to Islam, but really also to indigenous African beliefs and faiths as well. The group was just ecstatic to be here to share their music with everyone. This is Innov Gnawa. Innov Gnawa is here courtesy of Moraine Valley Community College. One of the main objectives for me as somebody who studied ethnomusicology is I always want to find a way for people to know about cultures through an art, particularly music in my case. And really knowing about Gnawa music is knowing about the indigenous roots of Moroccan music and Moroccan people. So my hope was really not only to showcase this group to a Western audience, but also to a Middle Eastern audience that's comprised of Muslims from the Middle East, but Muslims from the region. They were able to also go to different classes on campus as well and show the students not only the music, but also the dance, tell them a little bit about the history, the various languages that are actually a part of the Gnawa tradition. It's Arabic, but it's also Bambara, it's also Hausa, it's also different African languages. And it's a tradition that's just kept up. I saw students really react in a very positive way, and they were just eating up all of the stories more than anything, and that's ultimately what these folks are. They're not just musicians, they're storytellers as well.